Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Mantra. In this video, we will learn how to use concatenate function in Excel sheet. This function actually joins the data. This data could be in different cells or you can also manually input the data. And we'll also learn what is the practical application of this function. So here you see a list of items and also its month on month sale, but all this data is available in a single table. So here in the second row you can see the refrigerator and it sold at 25,000 in the month of January 23. Similarly, the sale of LED in January was 30,000. Washing machine in January is 40,000. Similarly, the sale of refrigerator is also available for the month of February, March, and in the same way of the other item. This Excel sheet is currently not made so that it can be compared with the other data. So here, for example, refrigerator. Here again refrigerator. So if we want to use a VLOOKUP command, it will not work properly because for the month of January the sale is different, but for the month of February it's different. So it means now how to solve this problem. The solution lies in concatenating the two sales. So it means if we club the refrigerator with January, it will give a unique value. And how to club it? So to clubbing it, we can use a very simple command. We'll just type concatenate. You can also search it using an fx command at the top. Now we will start parenthesis. First we need to put the first value which we want to add, then we will press comma, and then we will put the second value which we want to join. Close the parenthesis and press enter. So here we can see that refrigerator and Jan 23 has been added. But if you see in this way, it is really difficult to differentiate between refrigerator and Jan 23, although we are able to add it. So the other good way is we can put a hyphen in between. So to put an hyphen in between, just after A2, put hyphen in double quote, again comma and B2. So it means we are adding A2, then hyphen which is constant, and then B2 which is the sales. So A2 and B2 is actually the value it is taking from sales, but this hyphen we are directly typing in this formula. You will press enter. Now you can see that refrigerator and Jan 23 is clearly distinguishable and we can read it clearly. Now to uh, further propagate this formula to the other cells, we can simply use the autofill function by dragging the formula to the other cell, and we can see that the list is completed for all the cells, right? So you see that this is the really good way to compare the data with other sheets. So now here refrigerator in the month of January 23, it's a unique value from the refrigerator in the month of February 23. So that means now each sale is a unique, and then it can be easily comparable with any other sale. So I think this is a really good function which you can use it. I hope you like this video. If you really liked it, please like it here, and also share it with your friends and family, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, guys.